wide open spaces of the Chevy Tahoe. Chevy Tahoe.
Yeah, putting a battery in here? Well, I did. After a boat battery, we're going to start this thing. Maybe. And then, you know, they're off the beads. Well, at least that one is. That one's flat. Oh, tools. Just leave them lay right there like that and get rusty. That keeps them nice and fresh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that one's off the bead too. Now this thing has got I don't know, it's been since, let's see, it's been started once or twice, I don't know. I don't remember the last time I started it. We lived here 7 years or so, and it's still got North Dakota tags on them. 2014. My wife, she thinks it can be fixed, but you know, she went Baja and stuff, and thinks she's some four-wheel drive queen. Had this thing since it was pretty much new. It had 40,000 on it when I bought it, and now look at it. Well, it's kind of a hunting, fishing rig or whatever, but I don't know. Piss on that, I ain't fixing nothing. It eats tires up. That's why those shit box ugly rims and tires are on there. Oh, this is fancy. Let's see. You see there? I got my money out of there. Oh yeah, it does have keys in there. Oh, it's got power. Oh yeah, nice. I put a dead battery in. That's always good. So I grabbed my jumper pack, you know. I was gonna, you know, charge it up. Yeah, it's dead. And I borrowed it to someone, and they brought the jumper pack back, but not the charging cord. So thank you for doing that, but I'll charge it on here. Hood prop. Don't fall off, you piece of shit. What the hell's Magnum doing here? I didn't order anything. Maybe I did. I don't know. What's that guy want? Give me my stuff. Oh yeah, and you don't need to worry about you don't need to worry about any of those dents right in there and there. You can do whatever to it. You might as well just put like dents in all the corners. Oh wait, there is already. Oh, or you could do that too. Oh damn. It's all good. You can still see out of there. After I get it over to the driveway over there, put some more skins on it, and then it's gonna be beat down time. Transmission's been rebuilt, so, and don't tell me, oh, there's plenty good parts on that OBS. It's not an OBS. It's a Chevy Tahoe. So anyways, about that OBS thing. You know, I didn't know what the OBS was until I started this YouTube. But you know, I'm old, so don't hate me because I'm old. But I'll tell you what. And don't hate me because I said Chevy Tahoe. I don't know, never heard of no fucking OBS business. And like them bump sides and dent sides and bull nose. I don't know what the call that shit is. I know they're Ford F-150s. 87, 93. I don't know what the fuck, you know, them dent sides and blah, blah, blah. Don't hate on me because of that shit. Oh, you, damn it, man. And, you know, I didn't charge this long enough. See, he got smart and went to the back instead of the front. Now, if this don't work this time, then I'm pulling around and, or else I'm putting a battery in. I don't know. Either jumper cables or battery. I probably didn't even have it. Oh yeah, I'll put that on the positive. That's where it goes. Oh yeah, right to dead. It better can start. Oh, see? You can still see out that windshield just fine, see? Oh yeah. It only had a little crack. That's just minor. Oh. Come on. Come on. Fuel pump. It's got, I think it's got like, I don't know, 5-6-year-old gas in there. It'll start. It'll be fine. Oh, come on. Come on. I'm gonna have to get some cables and go around the front, I guess. It needs just a little extra. Come on, you pile. See? It's junk. I don't even want to start anymore. Oh yeah, I had to grab a little bit of that. You know, that might help. Even though it's fuel injected, it should still help. Or not, I don't know. I never used the juice on fuel injected before. So yeah, that should be enough, right? Maybe a little more. Oh yeah, that should be a little more. Oh, oh.
How dare you!
Once it fired right up, it needed that juice to help that old gas a little bit. Oh, the window still works. And there's some spiders in here. Anyways, it runs. See, it runs good. But I don't care. Oh, that's nice. See, it barely did any damage to the tree shit. And that's, you know, you don't have to worry about running over nails or pallets or anything when you've got good tires like that. Oh, it only did a little damage. It should still start though. Let's see if start one more time. Oh yeah, the heater's on. Oh, the heater works. See, you can see good out of that window yet. Oh yeah. One more time. Oh yeah, I better roll window up so it don't get wet in here. Now woman, oh, I didn't even put it back in its spot. Oh well. Now woman, don't get all mad about the Tahoe. And that's right, it is a Chevy Tahoe. OBS, guys. Anyways, woman, don't get all mad about the dent. You put all the rest of them in there. I could put at least one in there. Well, I think I'm going to work on this here because my son wants it. Tahoe, 1998, I believe. And it needs some work. I've had it since it was pretty much new. And it had 39,000 or some odd miles like that. My storage shed right now. And it's got 262,000. That's got plenty of life left. You can tell it's been sitting. I've redlined it. I've done everything. I beat the hell out of the thing. You see, it's been sitting for a while. I think 2014. It starts right up. Oh yeah. It's been sitting. It's the loaded one. It's a little warm now. But it was serviced every 2,000 miles. I changed the oil. Twice a year I did the transmission and the differentials and the transfer case. So it was well maintained. My son, he wants it, so I said, okay, we'll fix it up then. First time that 1998 Tahoe has been on the road since 2014. We're going to get a windshield. What's going on? Is that drive all right? Is the driving okay? He won't answer. Seems like it's staying on the road pretty good. Got that fancy crashed up windshield. Don't worry about that. You can see through it even though it's in your view. Oh, look at there. All new windshield. Yep. Oh, you can see again. He's in there paying for it. It's back on the road after sitting since 2014. Bye now, bye. Anyways, now.
I heard that all the way in the house.
There you go.
Oh, hey, Robert, I found your trophy again. I found it here.
I know.
I found it.
I know.
Oh.
Do this without pissing the neighbors off. I'm sure we're going to piss them off real good, but hopefully they won't call the police.
As Complete Toilet Garage says,
Remember, guys, like, share, and subscribe to this great content.